I'm struggling here. You got me there.
I was trying to do bunny ears, but...
Yeah, I can't see.
We got a letter from an injured worker, and the injured worker had been with us for a couple of years. They'd had 8.
Oh, Sean. Good job. That's for Mary. So testing out and walking the city right now. And yeah, I hope it catches symptoms. Seeing some figures down here. Whoa, Red Bull! I'm embarrassed. It's totally dark. You can just see the light from out there. I'm on shutter priority because I want to stay at shutter speed 50 to take off the banding. But yeah, not bad. Just in the car right now waiting for Laura. front of the train station. And yes, this is my new rig. Yeah, Laura just arrived. I think that's a train. That's a guy who's been running for his life. Let me check.
Great passion fruit. Friday night, the surge is on. About to give away some tickets to Ariana Grande. Tour went on sale earlier
Yes,
today.
Laura.
Also going to play the brand new #1 song in the country from Shawn Mendes on iTunes. But
I'm gonna do my first vlog editing today. And fucking hell, what's wrong with the white balance? Ah, there you go, it fixed itself. Fucking hell, I don't like the colors. Let me fix that one. I'm still not used to vlogging with this camera.
Peeler.